So are we thinking around the retention part or churn rate? These are just some of the metrics I think that I have thought about indicating different fields. So we could choose one of them and move on or proceed with our answers. So when we say the success, I'm assuming success could mean different things. So by success, do we mean that the number of users who has begun adopted these features or began using these features, or those who continue to use these features, or users who have left are not continuously using those features, or it could mean that how many times or frequently, how many frequent I would say frequency use of this feature, and for what kind of content, for and for what kind of content they are using most content this is used most. So other things that I can think about is that if I can build, okay, some of the user journey, or why this need, why did we build this feature in the first place, and so some many of the times that when we are going through our feed or any user is going through the feed, say they find some of the maybe old photos of their family, or collage of their trip, or any particular post by their friend, post which contains significant emotional value for the user, they would want to save that post for future. So if I can think about the, so that was the need for this. Now someone who is an ideal persona or ideal person for this type of features, and there could be multiple use cases for this feature we have designed. It could be a student who is going through his feed or her feed, since they have subscribed to multiple exam uh, related channels or pages, or preparation for particular competitive exam or anything like that. So there could be multiple use cases based on the persona that we have defined. So for me, based on that need, my persona is someone who is in her retirement from professional career, and now she is pursuing her hobbies and using Facebook as a medium to remain connected with her professional and connected to her professional and personal relationship, professional and her hobby. So that is someone who is in a, now if so if I were to think about her age, that would be related around 60 to 70 around, and she is from India. Supposing that her professional career was into teaching, she was in working for a reputed government school, and she had a long career in her professional life. And now she is into the hobby of her hobby. If I were to describe in short stories, various political things and topics. So that is her hobby. Now we have clarified the questions. We have thought about what does success looks like, and what does exactly safe feature means for us, where we have defined this. Now if we could move to the next stage of this, so the next stage would be measurement part. Now considering that, assuming that we have selected measurement, supposing that we have selected a, we would want to see for us success for this,